booked on a Sunday. I'm the only customer there. The instructor is very attentive and good at instructing. Bonus points for the cute and cuddly cat that slept on my lap while sewing. I recently had the pleasure of attending a leather workshop where I made my very own key holder, and I can't say enough good things about the experience. From the moment I walked in, the staff greeted me with warm smiles and a genuine enthusiasm for leather crafting. Their friendliness made me feel right at home, even as a beginner. The workshop itself was well organized, and the instructors were incredibly patient and knowledgeable. They guided us through each step of the process, ensuring that we not only learned the techniques but also had fun while doing it. I left with a beautiful key holder that I proudly made myself. Now, I do have to mention that finding the location was a bit of a challenge. Google Maps led me on a bit of a wild goose chase, so I recommend calling ahead for tips and clearer directions. Once I finally arrived, though, it was absolutely worth it. Overall, I highly recommend this workshop to anyone looking to dive into leather crafting. The combination of excellent service, a friendly atmosphere, and the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands makes for an unforgettable experience. I can't wait to return for another workshop. Kill time/healing mind activity, leather workshop. After some want to relax, play in the workshop, and one of them is the whole card set. Although I like the same day-to-day leather products, but it is the first time for the whole department, and I look forward to it before I go. LCM Leather Workshop can completely start leather products from scratch, and a card set is picked by the leather. Thread, shearing, grinding, nailing, sewing, and engraving are all done by yourself. Of course, the teacher has the same progress as the demonstration, which is more successful than buying materials and packing for myself. I want to pick up the pastel color skin. In other words, I choose the purple-pink line. There are many colors, hesitate, the edge is only the most lined, and finally I pick the light purple line. The effect is pretty good. The name of the card holder is engraved on the back of the card. Very interactive workshop with two cute twins black cat around. Teacher was nice and taught us in details. End product was quite presentable as well. The booking fee covered the price for basic designs, but we preferred other designs, so we had to pay an extra $100 per design. But the end product was great. You get to do everything from choosing the leather to punching holes and sewing it. No prior knowledge needed, as the staff will guide you through each step. Admittedly, I took forever to choose the leather, so we overran a bit, but the staff was really nice and didn't rush us. Smile. The owner, Mo, was so helpful. Her instructions were clear. Their tools were also complete and reliable. They also have a lot of color to choose. It took us time to choose because all of them were beautiful. She also took a lot of pictures and videos for us. We really love it. If we had a chance to go back to HK, we would definitely visit this place again. We are really satisfied with our passport holders, it turned perfectly good. Also, they have two cats, Lele and Kot Kot. They are very cute and calm.